beach cleanup going on right now with Reef2Reef, PanaSea, ocean builders. A lot more people out here. Getting some good work done. Getting a lot cleaned up. It's pretty insane how much we're cleaning up. It's very insane, not pretty insane, it's absolutely insane. I mean, I think I was just spending like 5 minutes in this area, not even. All this trash. A lot more. I mean, it's everywhere. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, but that's what we're here for, right? It's exactly what we're here for. We've got right over there Alexandra with Reef2Reef. I saw Paul somewhere. There's in the red shirt back there. There's John from PanaSea. There's Paul right there. We got a good group out here. We're cleaning up the beach. We're also, Reef2Reef is leading a turtle nursery right now. They're building it over there. We'll go check it out in a little bit. Oh, I mean, look at this. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Freaking everywhere. And this isn't even one of the worst beaches. This is definitely not one of the worst beaches. This is like mediocre of trash. Yeah, that's what we're here for, right? And that's what we're doing, you know, with people like PanaSea, Reef2Reef, ocean builders. And that's what's so important about making these homes eco-restorative, not just sustainable, not just neutral to the environment, but restorative to the environment. So please minimize your plastic and please make sure it goes in a recycling bin. Okay, we're cleaning up trash, but sometimes the things that do the most damage are the smallest. Microplastics. Microplastics. These little itsy bitsy pieces of plastic that just end up everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. You know, a lot of people, most people, including myself sometimes, you know, I'm not gonna act like we're all perfect, but we dispose of our plastics, not realizing where they're gonna end up, and also and also just assuming, you know, it's gonna end up in the trash, it's gonna end up somewhere. Well, that somewhere is right here. After decades of being broken down into these little microplastics, and then fish are feeding on them, turtles are feeding on them. It's ridiculous, which is why, number one, prevention of the use of plastics is first and foremost. But then, of course, actually restoring and cleaning up what's already out there, which there's thousands of years of it. Hundreds of years, thousands of years. So, sad, but gotta do our effort, right? I'm gonna get the logo, I'm gonna get the hat. PanaSea, doing some amazing work. We got ocean builders, Reef2Reef.
The turtle actually doesn't need to. We will take the next one. We will have to give that.
That's a lot of trash.
Put her extra, so when the babies come out.
That's a lot of trash. We gotta do better. That was part one. Another part they were working on right here.